Hi, it's Annelie. Today I want to show you, I've got these old maps that I took out of a book. I want to distress them a little bit more, that they look like old pages. I haven't got old pages, so I'm going to just do this. I just took a tea bag with a little bit of warm water, and it's cooled now. So I'm just going to wipe this over this page, and then I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll come and I'll make maybe paper roses or paper flowers. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet out of this. So if you don't have an old book, even if it's let me just show you, even if it's a book that's got a lot of white pages, you can see the moment you put the tea on top of it. You just cover this piece and show you. It will start giving you that old yellow pages look. You can see the difference there. So I'm just going to wipe this. You can, even if it's dry, go another layer over this. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to do these two. And then I'm just going to quickly let it dry. You can do both sides. When this one is dry, just turn it over and do the other side as well. And then I'll see you in a bit. I'm just going to make shapes like this out of this 2 pages, and I'm going to use some of these old books as well. I'm going to form flowers with that. So I'm just going to randomly just tear a type of a leaf. I think I'm going to use 6 for 1 flower. So I'm just going to do this, and then I'll talk again. I'll just speed this up. Okay, I've got a few leaves now, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start to glue them together. I made a few a little bit smaller and a few a little bit bigger. Let me just see, where's the small ones? Okay, there they are. So this is just paper glue. You can use any paper glue that can work on paper, or maybe cold glue or something like that. Okay, I've got these acorns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this there, and then I'm going to put maybe this skewer in there. I'm just going to leave it, let it can dry, because I want to cool the pages a little bit, maybe. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put that there, that it can dry. I'm just going to take off this little before I glue that one. I think I'm gonna maybe make it gold or something, and then just pop it in there. So I'm just gonna leave that one to dry now, and I'm gonna make another one, and then after they are dry, I will come and do the rest. I think I'm just going to do 4 leaves, and then big ones, and then 3 little ones in the middle. That doesn't look that I've just want to see 1, 2. Okay, I'll just need to make a small one quickly. I've stuck these down with glue. It's dry now. So what I want to do is I want to make a hole in there so I can put this skewer or anything that can work there for a stem. So I'm just going to take this piece of wood, turn it over, make sure I know where I want to start making a hole, and just take my, I don't know what you call this, handheld bore or what, I'm not sure, drill. And then I'm just going to, oh, I've got it wrong way, sorry. Okay. There you can see I've got my little hole. I can put in my stick there, and it's going to fill it with glue, and it's going to hold up very nicely. So I'm just going to, I've got these ones that I want to pop in there. So I'm thinking about making them gold. If I can just open up this. Okay, I just realized I put a coat on and I didn't film it. Sorry about that, guys. I thought I was busy filming it. So I'm just going to put on a second coat of the gold. And I can't find press stick anywhere, so I hope it will stand upright. Okay, this is still a little bit wet, but I'm just going to pop it in there that it can dry. What you can always do with these is if you can maybe put them together, but I'll show you when they're dry what I mean. You can put in the skewer now as well if you like, or you can put the two together and hang them with a string, and they can make a nice ornament as well. So I'm just going to quickly let that dry, and then I'll come back and I'll show you. I'm not finished yet. Okay, this is still a little bit wet, but I can feel it's starting to stick down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of my Mod Podge and just put it on there. I want to put some glitter on here. Remember, if you use a brush for your Mod Podge, you must immediately wash it afterwards, otherwise you can throw it away. Okay, I'm just gonna pop that into the glitter there. Yeah, you can see I'm a bit too hasty, but it's alright, it's still wet, it can dry together. Now I just need to let them dry quickly, and then I'll show you. Okay, what you can do with these, you can even glue them like this with a little loop inside here, and hang them on your tree, or use them one and hang them on your tree. It can look nice with these angels. If you want to know how to make these angels, there is a link that you can just click on. I've also made this one. If you haven't seen that and you would love to see this one, there's also a link for the Christmas tree. But what I think you can also do is put your flowers like this. I don't know if you can see that. And you can also work it off very nice, so, you know, let your tree look nice. But anyways, whatever you do, I think I'm just gonna stick mine on my little wooden dowel, and that's how I'm going to use mine. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell that you can get future uploads of my videos. I enjoy making these, and as long as you like it, I'm glad to make some videos for you to follow. I like to keep it nice and easy and quick, and yeah, and some of the tutorials are a little bit more experienced, the other ones are not, so just try. What can happen if it's not that great? You can just try again. But anyways, please subscribe and hit that bell, and I will see you next time.